Hello friends, welcome to Open Season Unboxing Revealed. Today I'm gonna unbox and review Ifreqs Aux Cable 1.5 meter in length, gold plated, leather covered. So far I've come across 10 to 15 aux cables, and leather covered is something very unique to me. Let me be honest with you guys, this is not a cheap cable where you can get it in the brick and mortar shops. It got a lot of good features that we're gonna see in few seconds. I'm gonna unbox this goodie for you guys. Stay tuned. The box is sleek in design, compact and well constructed with a wrapper on it having all the technical details. So you can see they mentioned the conductor resistance, connectors, core clouding diameters. These are all too technical. Insulation material and cable type, cable characteristics, weight, speed of data transmission, and they got a lot of certifications also, I believe. So let me open this box. Before that, I think here you can see they got good presence in the social media also. It has a cable aux cable as mentioned, and international warranty card on it. They give replacement warranty for 12 months. That's nice to have. The color combination of red and white looks trendy and visually appealing to me. The length of the cable is 1.5 meter. That is close to 5 feet, which is good enough to connect different devices at distance. This cable has 24K gold connector jacks at both ends, connected to wire covered with pure leather jacket, which is very soft and smooth. This PU leather jacket prevents tangle, and it will last much longer than other cables covered with nylon, PVC or any other material. Let me dive a little deeper on the technical side to know this cable better. I'm just going to cut it and let's see. Yeah, this cable uses oxygen-free copper conduction technology to ensure best sound quality for smartphone devices. The copper conductors are 33% thicker than other cables, and that will make sure the cleanest sound experience possible. Also, this cable is double shielded for seamless audio transmission. It has an effective strain relief that protects repetitive bending, and also it prevents from pinching at the base of the connector. Actually, the pinching will alone stop the cable from its working. I'm going to connect this cable to different devices and see how it fits. Let me try with a smartphone. It has got a smooth slide and it snaps well with a click sound. Actually, these ridges has to make a firm connection, and that's where the audio getting transmitted, and it locks at the very end. I'm connecting it with the car stereo and it fits perfectly. It got a very nice and well constructed aluminum casing where I'm holding, and it's not gonna wiggle around. That's really important, I believe. Let us see something on the pricing point of view. The MRP Ifreqs as mentioned in the box is 800 bucks, and you can get it in Amazon for 349, I guess. To be honest with you guys, that's really cheaper when compared to the excellent features this cable has got. And here is my verdict. This is really a premium quality aux cable with optimum pricing that can be used with any type of smartphones, tablets, MP3 players, laptops, home theaters, portable speakers, headphones, music instruments, car stereos, and bunch of other devices which has 3.5 mm ports. Hope I am not missed anything. If you are looking for an excellent quality cable with awesome sound experience, you can look no further than Ifreqs Aux Cable. You can get this product at amazon.in, and the link is given below on the description. Hope you enjoyed this video and hit the subscribe button for more upcoming unboxing and review videos. Thank you and have a good day.